In this video, I'll guide you on how to block and unblock on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, for any reason you want to block someone from reaching out and viewing your content, here's how to do it. First of all, to do this, go to the search bar on TikTok. Search for the person's name or username. Tap on the person's profile. Then tap on the share icon and tap on block. Then confirm the decision. Now, if you want to unblock them, you can just tap on your profile, press the three lines at the top right corner, then go down and press Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and press Blocked Accounts. Then you can choose the account you want to unblock. Press Unblock and confirm. Alternatively, you can just go back to the search bar, search for the person's account, and there you will see Blocked by You. Then you can click on the person's profile and press unblock, then confirm your decisions. That's just how to block and unblock someone on TikTok. Over here is a video of how to block someone on Instagram. You can check that out too. Thanks for watching.